Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this video, we will see how we can change part of the accordion controls style. So this needs understanding the widgets, cascading style sheets rules. And once you know the rule, then you can reformat it. Alright, now let's dig into this video. Like tab, the major components in accordion are heading and content, right? Here if you see, this topic is the heading, right? And here the stuff that get displayed after expanding the topic is the content. So this is the two major part, topic and content. So here if you see, style entire accordion. So for that you can make use of the name, right? And I am setting width as 300 pixel for the entire accordion control. The heading style can be adjusted using the ui-accordion-header. So in theme, there will be style rule, CSS styles applied using the ui-accordion-header, right? So here if you see, in this case we are overriding this rule ui-accordion-header that is already defined in the theme. Now we are overriding that, or we are redefining that rule, and we give a new font family, font size, as well as a background color. Background color if you see, medium sea green, and we changed the topic's background color here. And you can see the font size is increased to 18, and we use Lucida Sans as the font. Content of the accordion can be adjusted using the class selector ui-widget-content. So here we define the style for it, and we have a new font family, font size. Background color is moccasin, and padding is 5 pixel, right? Then border 1 pixel dashed green, and you can see that. So likewise, you can adjust the part of the accordion control. For that, you have to visit the theme and see how the rules are defined in the theme file. Alright, now we will go to the demo. Alright, now we can make use of our first example. Here I am doing the control click. And if you see, ui-accordion-header is defined in this CSS file. Here using Control F, I searched for this specific, or if you need, you can just search only accordion and see what are all the styles defined here, right, related to accordion. There are 5 searched elements, and one is ui-accordion-header, and another one is ui-accordion-content, right? So that's what defined inside this file. So we can make use of these two styles, and we can adjust it according to our need, right? So the theme, Flick theme, is defining the header as header like this. So it is setting the display, cursor is a pointer cursor, position, margin, padding, font size. Now let's define our own style. So here is the default style, right, referred from the external link. Now we can define our style element and redefine the rules. So before redefining the rule, let us see how the accordion is displayed. First, if you see, it is occupying the entire browser width, right? Then when mouse hovers, it is highlighting it, and when I click, it displays the content, right? The clicked element is shown in a different color, right? By default, the topic is displayed in blue color and the content is in black. Now let's override the style rule. Right here, if you see, this is for the entire widget. This is not defined in the theme file, but here we are setting the width for this ACCS and ACCEX. Based on this div only, accordion is created. So for hash ACCEX, we are defining the width. Next, for UI accordion header, we are setting font family, font size, and background color. These are all already explained right in the slide. Now let's save this content and run it. And if we see, now the accordion style is changed. Right? So the content is displayed with a nice border and there is a background color to it. And here is the topic with a background of green. And the entire width is now changed. It is not occupying the full browser width because we specified 300 pixels here. So here we customized the style for the accordion control by overriding the specific element or specific style rule. That's all here in this. Thank you for watching. Bye.